So here's how we built this smart home that simply works. First, you've got to think about the architecture. So imagine it S2030, and the best laid plans are those that pair the nimbleness of bespoke software with the robustness of universal standards. The result? We start with behavioral biometrics. Every time you come home, a series of events unfold. Before you even step out of the car, your home knows you're arriving. This baby runs the show, crunching numbers, spitting out instructions. It's the conductor of this technological orchestra. Now let's hit the cloud layer. Our secret sauce is redundancy. Got a leaky pipe? No problem. Even if one sensor goes offline, we can still detect the water leak and sound the alarm. Let's see how it plays out in a typical day. Your sleep data synced with the house's AI allows this precise wake-up routine. Whether it's adjusting the lighting for your Zoom call or turning on the overhead projector for your presentation, your home is your partner in productivity. The entryway adjusts its lighting to match the hues you prefer. An ecosystem that takes cues from your calendar, your mood, your energy levels, even the weather. Ensuring your home isn't just a structure, it's a companion. Because a home that simply works isn't just a collection of smart devices. It's an evolution of how we live, a fusion of technology and lifestyle. A place where comfort meets convenience, where health meets sustainability, and where life simply flows. Imagine hosting a dinner party. You don't have to worry about the house handles it. What if your home could learn from you, adapt to you, and anticipate your needs? That's not just a dream. It's the blueprint of our smart home initiative. Join us as we redefine the boundaries of what a home can be. Dimming the lights, adjusting the temperature, queuing up your favorite playlist. It's like having a personal assistant, except it's your home. And when the party's over, the house cleans up. Not figuratively, literally. Roborock vacuums sweep the floors while the smart windows filter out the morning sun, reducing glare, increasing warmth. Music you've been listening to fills the air. The kitchen is stocked with groceries you've flagged for restocking. And if you're feeling introspective, the house quiets, dimming the lights, reducing noise, encouraging reflection. When you're ready to share, the house opens up, flooding the rooms with natural light, opening the windows to the breeze, and amplifying your voice to be heard. The house monitors your activity, subtly suggesting breaks when you've been sitting too long, or reminding you to stay hydrated. In the background, the smart home harvests energy. Solar panels tilt to maximize exposure. Unused electronics enter a sleep state. When you leave, the house arms itself, not just locking doors and arming alarms, but also closing windows against the wind, pulling in the garbage cans, and even nudging your car to a more favorable parking spot. While you stretch, the coffee maker starts brewing, grinding the beans. Not too fine, not too coarse, just right for the pour-over. Today's forecast is sunny and warm. The house has already factored that into your breakfast, ensuring the fruit is chilled, the yogurt is at room temperature, and the granola is crunchy. Same goes for power outages. If the main grid goes down, we've got backup batteries, solar panels ready to take over. And if a component breaks, we've got backups ready to step in. It's this level of redundancy that ensures our smart home isn't just resilient, it's practically indestructible. This is where the magic happens. We're talking machine learning models that predict your needs before you even know them yourself. Up above that, well, that's the brains of the operation, making sense of vast amounts of data, finding patterns, suggesting improvements. The doors unlatch, the lights brighten, a fire crackles in the hearth. By the time you enter, your personalized oasis awaits. But it's not static, it adapts. Forgot to lock the front door? No problem, your home has it covered. Need to prep for a meeting? The home office adjusts to your workflow. Want to unwind after a long day? The media room transforms into a cozy cinema. At the heart of it all is the Choreograph AI, constantly learning, predicting, adjusting, ensuring your home isn't just a structure, it's an extension of your lifestyle. You unlock the door, step inside, kick off your shoes, hang up your coat, pour yourself a drink, settle onto the couch. Each action, a data point that feeds a unique behavior profile. This profile isn't just about who you are. It's a map of what you love, what you need, and what makes you, well, imagine walking through a doorway and the lights dim to welcome you. The fireplace roars to life, casting a warm glow on the plush carpet. Your favorite music fills the air. Every detail is tailored to your preferences. You don't have to think about it. The house just knows. That's the beauty of a home that simply works. It's not about flaunting technology. It's about enhancing your life. It's informed by your calendar, your mood, your needs, your goals, all woven together by contextual cues, like the weather or time of day. So when you arrive home, the house reacts not just because it knows you're there, but because it understands your desires, needs, and habits. It turns on your favorite lights, adjusts the temperature to your preference, even cues up your preferred music. All of this is done in concert, orchestrated to ensure each interaction feels seamless, almost imperceptible. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating a cocoon of comfort. It's a haven tailored to you, anticipating your needs before they're voiced. A tech stack so layered that if one piece gets deprecated, the whole thing doesn't crumble. For starters, we used Matter and Thread to tie together a mesh network of devices that's faster, more reliable, and downright invisible. On top of that sits a unified data model, so any app or service can effortlessly pluck parameters from any connected device. That means the front door isn't just a lock or a security device. It's also a window into the user's presence, activity, and state of mind. An open API lets our custom services run anywhere, ensuring no vendor lock-in. Plus, the OS is containerized, making updates a breeze. All this is anchored by a private, fast, local connection, ditching the cloud when possible, and only sending encrypted data there when strictly necessary. But standards alone don't build houses, they build blocks. Then comes the brick. Here's where machine learning steps in. Next comes automated choreography. Imagine pulling into your driveway. Let's peek into the engine room. First, we have our local layer, a supercomputer the size of a briefcase. Now let's talk hardware. You want a home that anticipates your needs, not one that throws tantrums when something goes offline. The ultimate test, though, is how does it feel to live in a home like this? At its core, our smart home that simply works is about making your life easier, healthier, and more sustainable. You wake up with the sun, or rather the sun wakes you up gently, as the room's color temperature shifts from deep red to bright white, signaling it's time to start the day. Your day is filled with purpose. You work, you play, you connect, and your home adapts to your needs. You return home to a house that anticipates your needs. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating an ecosystem of care. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating a life that works for you. And as we continue to explore the frontier of AI design, we are driven by a simple question: how can we craft technology that doesn't just serve us, but elevates our lives?